Welcome to Target Tip of the Day on how you can manage KPIs easily. When you add a KPI object, you add at least one measure to this, in this case number of sales. And when you fetch data, you get this very simple KPI. Of course, you can go into properties to change the KPI image. As you may know, you can work with up to 3 measures at the same time. But actually, I would recommend that you just go with this very simple KPI, and I'll explain why. For a KPI like this, you can go here and add a local criteria to this. So for instance, if I go here and add a company, Casual Clothing Retail, you'll see a changed KPI value here. Now, I just made a copy of this one, simply in order to change the local criteria to maybe the other company, Casual Clothing Retail. So now we got these 2 KPI values for the 2 companies. Instead of using advanced graphics within the KPI object itself, I'll just add a text box, use it as an image on background, and then go and add an image here. Now I'm just going to add a target logo at this point, just to illustrate that we can add an image here, place it where we would like it to be placed, and then these 2 KPI values, KPI objects actually, place them wherever you want them according to the image. One on the left hand side and the other one on the right hand side. Another example may be this dashboard that I created here, billable hours previous month. And as we saw before, this one is just a background image. So if we go here, you see it's an image on background, and it's this organization chart. And similar for the KPI objects, these are single value KPI objects, maybe with a local criteria according to what team we're looking at. But what if your organization one day changes? What if your, let's say, the product manager is referring not to the CEO but to the CTO instead? Then we will have to replace this image with a new organization chart. So let's go into properties and replace the image. So here's the new organization chart. When I go here and click OK, we can see that the product manager has now been moved to refer to the CTO instead. So now I just need to move my KPI objects into the new correct positions, like this for the development teams, and this one for my consultancy team, and education here. And finally, we got the UX team over here. So the idea of having this background image, which may actually change, but also having these very simple KPI objects on top of that, makes it very easy to manage a KPI dashboard like this. I hope you got inspired by this Target tip of the day. Stay safe, and let's stay in touch on Target's YouTube channel.